Good evening everyone, and today we're looking at another watch review. Today's one, we're looking at the Timex Classic Premium men's watch, sitting 44.5mm in diameter. So yeah, let's have a look at the box first, shall we? So before we actually get onto that though, I've done a review on this one. Please check that out on the channel, about supporting the Red Arrows of the Royal Air Force. Please check that out on my channel if you get a chance. Looking at the box for the Timex watch, it's just a simple lift-off lid fashion with a nice sort of overall cardboard thickness to it. Printed, as you can imagine. A simple fold-off lid that just suits the function of the watch. Nothing too extravagant going on here. So, just going to lift this lid off and then we can have a look at the watch. Nothing inside the box apart from that cushion with the watch on it. Overall, the box has a nice finish to it with two strange little see-through holes in the back there. Not quite sure what they're for. Let's move that to one side. So here we go, guys. This is the Timex Classic Premium men's watch. Overall, looking at the face here, price of it, actually, move it before we go on to the face of the watch. The price of this sits around about £90. You can get this on Amazon, I believe. Yeah, you can get this off Amazon in their try before you buy scheme. Actually, that's how I've got it nowadays. Weight of this watch sits at probably around about 100 grams. It's not a really heavy watch. Yeah, but overall it does seem to offer a decent amount of quality to it. Starting at the face, we've obviously got that overall blue theme to it, and blue and gold mix. So we've obviously got two normal hands, fully luminous with a gold essence to them, gold edges, and a second hand that doesn't light up as well. Looking around the face, you've obviously got a single digit at that 12 o'clock, and then increments going around the side that are fully luminous as well. Looking around the inside of the face here, we can see that there is three sort of chronograph functions. So those functions are, we've got a GMT function here, or like an hour tracker for how many, like a 12-hour, 24-hour clock that you've got in the corner here. You've also got a clock that shows the date of which it is, and also a clock to show the day that you're on as well. So like a day and date sort of function to it, complication sort of style to it. Case diameter, which as mentioned before, is 44.5 with a single non-elliptical glass, mineral glass here. Waterproof to, not too sure, didn't check that. Waterproof to, let's have a look underneath. I'm going to go with 50 or 100 metres here. So waterproof to 100 metres, let's just clean that. Yeah, so waterproof to 100 metres expected for this sort of watch. Operating on a quartz movement. Just need to take this little band out. Yep, operates on a quartz movement, as you can see from the hand movement there. The bezel, in fact, doesn't rotate, it stays in place. Looks like it would stay in place with that sort of style watch anyway. So the case actually has a different colour to the actual bezel. So it's a stainless steel with a matte lined finish next to where the bracelet connects, and a full chrome finish going around the actual side of the bezel here, with a gold plated chrome finish to the top there, and full stainless steel going around the side, stainless steel mirror effect on the back as well. Looking at the click movement, have a decent quality movement there to the actual timer going around. Let's try the other one, see if there is one. Okay, so we're going to have to, then those days I believe will change as you rotate the hands round. So yeah, I just had a click there, so it must rotate at that time. Quality of the clicks and the crown seem very good of this kind of watch. Decent for the price mark, I'd say. Overall, a very nice watch. Let's get a little bit closer, have a look inside. So inside the watch, we haven't got any sort of mirror inside there. We've just got an angled face going down to the actual main backing of the actual face of the watch, with little increments on the dashes as well, sitting at 45-degree angle. Very popular of a Timex watch. Very quite common feature. Looking inside the back of it, so bracelet connections. We're looking at popper pins inside here, with a simple leather double line stitched Timex leather strap here. Decent quality leather to it by the looks of things. Functional, with a nice matte stainless steel finish clasp there as well. Stitching looks very good quality on the inside as well. Not much evidence of any sort of cut stitching to stop. Like, there's no evidence here of fraying stitching here or anything. Just simple stitching system. Let's have a look with this on the wrist. Overall, very nice watch, very impressive. That is the Timex Classic Premium Men's Watch. I hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you on the next video.